Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to do my giveaway to celebrate you all for being my part of my 300 subbies. I appreciate all the love and support you guys show to my channel. I appreciate all the kind words and encouragement. I'm almost to 400 because of you guys. Thank you so much. I have a link to the original video in the description box below. If you stick around to the end, there'll be a link that you can click on to go to that video as well. But if you remember, I had the 3 prizes that I was giving away. And I don't... maybe this just will... Maybe this... These were some of the prizes right here. There were 3 different packs, all the same thing. Paper, washi, and a stamp collection, all from Maggie Holmes. So I am going to use the random comment picker. Woohoo! And I did put the URL in. I am going to filter for duplicate users. You just had to say what is your favorite Disney character in order to be entered. You did need to be 18 years or older because you shouldn't be younger than that watching my channel. You also had to be a US subscriber. So let's get on with it. You had to be a visible subscriber as well. And now, you know, there's icons. When you leave a comment on someone's YouTube, there are icons that tell us if you are a visible subscriber or not, and then if you like one of our top commenters. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but see if your comments have that next to your commenters' comments. Wow. Okay. I know you guys are just like, come on, woman, get on with it. So, yeah, let's get on with it. Start raffle and pick random winner. Okay, so one of the first subbies to win one of the packages are going to be, hey. Oh, we got to get the comments first. Blah. So there's 28 unique comments. Good luck. Okay, start. Focus. And so the first one is Lorraine Platero. I hope I said that right, Lorraine. Congratulations. It says, congratulations on the growth of your channel. My favorite Disney character is Ariel. Something about the ocean. Wishing the best for the success of your challenge. I missed your last one. Stay safe and be blessed. Thank you so much, Lorraine. Thank you so much for being a subbie and supporting my channel. I appreciate it. I like being under the sea as well. Okay, so this is Lorraine. Let me just write Lorraine Platero. Okay, so the next one. Do you know if she goes back in the pool? If you get picked again, I'm going to redraw for someone else. This is also all pending verification. So if you need to go turn your subscription on, you should go do that. Like on being visible. Okay, so how do I do this? Okay, get YouTube comments. Oh, she's still in there. So, okay, if you get drawn again, I'm going to draw somebody else. Good luck. Manda Lee Cards and More. Woohoo! Congratulations, woman. She is having a challenge right now. She is celebrating 1,000? I think it's 1,000. But yeah, I'm going to leave all these ladies links to their channels in the description box below so you can go check them out and show them some love and congratulate them. So her comment was, congrats on reaching 300. May you continue to grow. My favorite is Belle. Oh. I work in a bookstore. Do she touches a special place in my heart. Aww. That's cool that you work in the bookstore and you like Belle. Okay, so congratulations. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hopefully you've got my entry to your challenge. And congratulations on that. And may you have many more milestones that your channel reaches. Okay, so this is for Dahlia. And then, same thing. So if it redraws any of you women, I am going to redraw. So Dahlia, I have your email address. Lorraine, not email address, mailing address. I don't believe I have yours. So if you could send me an email with your mailing information, my email is in the description box below. Okay, next one and last one. Again, I do really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned for more giveaways shortly. And here we go. Last one. Good luck. And the winner is Kathy O'Sullivan. Oh my gosh, yes, Native Arizona. Kathy, I have your mailing address, so no worries. But she says, so many wonderful Disney characters. I am very fond of so many. But my favorite is the Beast. Love him. Congratulations on reaching 300 subbies. So happy for your love. That sweet little dear stamp. Later, Maka, my friend. Aw, girl. Okay. So congratulations to the 3 of you. I will, like I said, leave the link to their YouTube channel in the description box below. I hope you guys are staying crafty. Again, thank you all so much for your love and support on this channel. I look forward to many more giveaways. I look forward to getting to know you all better. Go ahead and like this video if you like it. And if you're not a subscriber yet, I would love for you to join my journey here and subscribe. There is a button below. There's also a bell next to that button. If you hit on that, it'll notify you when I do upload giveaways like this so you don't miss it. Again, have a great rest of the week. And until the next video, shakas!